Good morning, team. Running up. What's poppin'? But I don't got nothing to do until around 3 o'clock. It's already late. It's 8 o'clock right now. And I said, you know what? I might as well get dressed because I'm freezing. So I'm going to put on clothes anyways. Put on some sweaters and sweatpants right now because I'm so cold. Then I thought to myself, since I'm going to put on sweaters and sweatpants, I might as well go out and do Instacart. So let's just do it until around 3 o'clock and see how much we make. Good morning. Team Run It Up. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, like I swear, like every day is getting worse. I cannot see out of any of my windows. I'm in a freaking igloo. It's 8:28 right now, a.m. and my car is still frozen. This thing has to thaw out. Let's pump up the heat. Pump up that heat. Full blast, baby. Costco's about to drop in 15 minutes on Saturdays. Actually, Costco will drop at like 8:45. This is gonna be the first batch of the day. It's super late in the morning, as you guys know. For those of you that know, we start early, man. This ain't early. We just swiped the 58 double Costco right now, and Costco is not open. You see that? That's what I mean by camping Costco. It's not even open yet, and I swiped the 58 double. There's not an Instacart shopper in sight, and yeah, we are about to crush this order. It's a double. Oh, we got one water on the first order. 8 items, not bad. And then we got, oh man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heavy items on the second order. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not too crazy. It's not too crazy. We're gonna knock this out in the next 15 minutes. We're about to open. So this random guy decided to mess up my thumbnail. No, in the next like, what time is it?
It's 9:10.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Hey, first Costco order down. I don't know how many more we gonna do today, but the first one is finito. Let's load up. All right, family, so we are on our way to the house, which is 18 minutes away. And obviously I don't like my life because I don't have my seatbelt on, so hold on a second. Now I love my life again, and we are on our way to the house, which is 18 minutes away, the first one, and the second one is 19 minutes away. So hopefully, I did not look at the map, but hopefully the 19 minutes away is just the house being 1 minute away from the 18-minute house. All right, so that second house was 8 minutes away. It was not 1 minute away, but that's okay because right after I clicked delivered, I swiped a 55, a 55. It's 10:30 right now, and yeah, I just swiped the 55. I'm about 5 minutes away from the store, and I'm gonna shop this hopefully in under 30 minutes. All right, so we're almost at 30 minutes. We're 27 minutes in. We need one more item, and I can't. Oh, it's right there. That's it, right there, right? Apple pie, there it is. Yes, sir. That is a wrap for that order, and we are sitting at 1:10:78 at 11:50. That's not too bad, right? Considering I started late today. So we about to go run it up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and help me manifest this order. It's been working. I don't know why it works, but it works. So if you hit the like right now, I'm probably gonna get a banger. Hit the like and let's see if I get a banger. Yay, you gotta love construction. Can't go that way, even though I have to. Here we go. Hey, yo, fam. I told y'all, y'all done manifested it for me. I just swiped a 73. Now, this is at a store that I really do not like, and it's tough. This store is tough, but it's still a 73. Let's go. We gotta go in there and crush it. We gotta go in there and crush it. Go in there and crush it. That's the mentality. Go in there and crush it. That's the mentality. Go in there and crush it. Go in there and crush it. Crush it. Let's get it. All right, so it took me 48 minutes to finish all of this shopping. That's a lot. And I cannot stand this store, man. I don't like this one. Oh my goodness, I can't stand this store. But hey, we finished it in 48 minutes. We had to refund some stuff. So hopefully it doesn't go down too much. We'll see. We'll see. Booyaka! We at 184 and it's only 2 o'clock.